Hello and welcome to Brainchow. There are very few days left in 2018, so
it is time to rewind. It's time to look at major events that took place in 2018 and events that affected India. So let's begin with sports. India did well this year in cricket. Actually, India remained #1 in tests throughout the year. India also managed to win Under 19 World Cup this year.
There it is! India lift the Under 19 World Cup, New Zealand 2018.
And our sporting success is not limited to cricket.
in Commonwealth Games 2018, India finished at 3rd spot just behind Australia and England. There were some notable performers in Asian Games too. Mary Kom winning record 6th gold medal in World Boxing Championships and Kidambi Srikanth being ranked 1st in badminton also brought sporting glory to our country this year.
If you have been paying attention to news, you would have realized that there are some things wrong with our economy, but we have managed to remain the #1 fastest growing economy, major economy in the world. And all the top 10 fastest growing cities in the world are also in India.
This was also a year of big marriages. Isha Ambani and Anand Piramal, Ranveer and Deepika, Priyanka and Nick, Sonam and Anand, etc.
The Indian YouTube scene was also on fire this year. 2 Indian YouTubers managed to cross 10 million subscribers, which means 1 crore subscribers. And T-Series versus PewDiePie took the center stage, and it is clear to the whole world that India has a huge potential in YouTube. It is clear that India might dominate the future of YouTube, but I sincerely hope that the dominating part is done by individual Indian creators rather than companies like T-Series, because already the TV industry is completely dominated by companies. You cannot go as a common person, you cannot go and become a TV star without any backup, but YouTube is such a platform where you can be yourself and tell your own stories. So we hope that Indian creators like Baby Ki Vines, Carrie Minati, they do well in 2019 as well and become bigger than T-Series.
True. Article 377 was also modified this year. Homosexuality was finally decriminalized. As a free country, this was absolutely necessary.
Now let's come back to Indian cinema. 2.0, Padmavat and Sanju. These were the 3 biggest grossing movies of 2018 from India. 2.0 has collected 750 crores so far, and it is still going on in some cinemas, so it might reach even 800 crores. So that's a big number. And on second spot we had Sanju. This Rajkumar Hirani movie managed to collect 586 crores, and at the third spot we had Padmavat, and this movie collected 585 crores. And the surprising thing is all these 3 movies have made it to top 10 all-time highest grossing movies of India.
That's amazing.
Yeah, 3 top 10 movies in the same year.
Yeah.
And now let's talk about a controversial thing, Statue of Unity. Some people liked it, some people hated it, but the fact is India now has the highest, tallest statue in the world, and it is in Gujarat.
So that's it for this video.
I know that we might have missed a lot of events, but these were the biggest events according to us. But let us know in the comments below which were the biggest events according to you. And we also wanted to wish you a very happy new year in advance.
So happy new year.
That's it for this video.
See you next time, maybe next year.
Yeah, bye bye.